Welcome back to the Biktrix workshop. In this guide, we're walking you through the professional steps for rear wheel removal on Biktrix rear hub motor e-bikes. Let's get started. First, ensure your safety by removing the e-bike battery from the frame. To fully discharge the electrical system, press and hold the power button on your Biktrix display until the screen remains dark. Next, locate the motor power cable leading to the hub. Depending on your specific Biktrix model, this may be located on the drive side or the non-drive side. Use snips to carefully remove any zip ties securing the wire to the frame. To disconnect the motor connector, grip both ends firmly and pull them straight apart. Do not twist the connector, as this can damage the internal pins. To simplify the wheel removal, shift your derailleur into the highest gear, which moves the chain to the smallest cog. On the non-drive side, remove the rubber axle bolt caps. Use an 18mm wrench to loosen the axle nut until it is clear of the frame dropouts. Repeat this on the drive side. Pro tip: slide the axle cap further down the motor wire to give yourself more clearance for your wrench. Once both 18mm nuts are loose, carefully maneuver the chain, the derailleur, and the derailleur guard to slide the motor hub axle out of the frame. You've successfully completed a Biktrix rear hub motor wheel removal. With the wheel removed, pay close attention to the washer orientation on the motor spindles. Your Biktrix e-bike typically uses tabbed torque washers closest to the motor. These tabs must point downward into the dropouts. The flat washers sit on the outside of the frame, directly under the axle nut. For a smooth reinstallation, pre-align these torque washers so the tabs face the open end of the dropout slot. Note the shape of the motor spindles to the dropouts. Ensure the flat edges align with the frame. When lifting the rear hub motor back into position, ensure the motor power wire stays on the outside of the drive chain. It helps to have the axle nut, cap, and derailleur guard pushed back out of the way. Align the chain with the smallest freewheel cog and pull the derailleur back to create space. If the motor spindle isn't seating properly, rotate the axle slightly until the flat edges of the spindle align perfectly with the frame dropouts. Slide the derailleur guard back into place and hand thread the axle nuts to avoid cross-threading. For the best results, use a torque wrench and tighten the rear axle nuts to 40 Nm. Whether you're performing a tire change, fixing a flat, or doing routine electric bicycle maintenance, mastering the rear hub motor assembly is essential for every rider. Finish by reconnecting the motor power cable, aligning the arrows on the plugs, and securing the wire with new zip ties. You have successfully completed Biktrix rear hub motor wheel installation.